Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to accept Zelle payments for your small business. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to receive money from your Zelle that is completely registered, you need to share your enrolled email address, US mobile number, or your QR code. So if you log in into your Zelle payment, and you can simply get the email address, US number, or QR code of the customer, you can ask them to send the payment directly to Zelle. So by entering all these details or any one of it, you can use Zelle to send payments to the small businesses. After the customer sends you a payment with Zelle, you will receive your payment directly into your enrolled bank account. So this is how you can accept Zelle payments for your small business. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.